We are on our way home, and it is raining back over that direction. It has been raining here quite a bit. Oh yeah, look at this here. Coming across the road. It's worse on that side. Coming right down through there and right across the road. Yeah, it's all over in that direction everywhere. Look at it, all the way over there, plumb out to here. Plumb over to the Mule Mountains, to the Wachuca Mountains over here. I am out with Randy. He's back here on his 2025 300L. We've been out over the other side of the mountains today, but we're headed home now, and I'm hoping we can bypass the rain, but I don't know which way to go to bypass it. Through town, or we'll have to see when we get a little closer. The road's wet here. We was up on the mountain over here and we could see it raining going this direction. Oh, it's flat dumping it right there. I don't know, are we gonna make it or no? We're either gonna go back or something here, Randy. It's up there in that rain. I think we're better off go back. But we're gonna get flat drowned up there. What do you think? We're just back this way where it ain't raining. That's all I know. Until it moves on. I wish I had my rain gear now. I got rain gear at the house. See, back here it ain't raining so bad. We're getting out of it now. So if somebody wouldn't have crashed and took up all that time, we'd have been back a long time ago. Okay, so we're stopped here. We turned around up there on the paved road. It's over there close to the Wachuca Mountains. And we come back around this way to a place, little town. It used to be a town, I guess. So there's still a school there. It's called Palominas. Then we come out here to this Hereford Road. And if we go now, we're going to get soaked. Ain't no doubt about that. This rainstorm is actually going that way, kind of to the north. South is over here, where the border is. So, took all of our stuff, like my wallet and everything, put it in the 100% waterproof hurricane tail bag. So, at least that stuff won't get wet. Put my gun in there. Ooh, I seen lightning right there. So if we wait a little bit, I think we'll be okay. Otherwise, if we go now, we're probably going to get wet. Unless we ride about 5 miles an hour. I feel sprinkles. It's funny, it shows it's going the other way unless it's coming out of those clouds. Because it shows it's moving that way. It's moving that way. Right, ain't that weird? That rain kind of looks like it was moving that way. Well, I know we're not going to get as wet right here as we are over there, probably. I don't know. We either take a chance or we wait for a little bit. I mean, 10, 15 minutes may make a difference. Look at it coming over the mountains right there. Big time. So Randy crashed and burned this thing earlier. Look at this on his new Zeta guards. You get a little scratch right there. I think that's the only scratch on the bike. Till he gets the mud cleaned off and we'll see. But I think that's it. I was just mentioning before that he needs to break it in. You know how breaking it in is. You got to dump it at least once. Then you decide to ride. But I broke mine in plenty of times. Yeah, there's some light sprinkles right here. I don't know. And yesterday I was out, I had my Trail 125, but I had the Nelson Rigg rain gear on, the Solo Storm rain gear, and I stayed dry. I mean, I got in absolute pour down, but I stayed dry as a bone. Got a little wet around my neck under my helmet, but other than that, I was, if I had it now, I'd just let Randy get wet and we go. That's what I've told people before. I said, I'm waterproof. My clothes might not be, but I am. As long as it ain't up over my nose, I'm good to go. So anyway, we're going to wait in here and see what happens. Okay, guys, well, we're going to get wet. It's coming this way now, so it's kind of changing its direction, its mind, I guess, where it wants to go, but we're going to get wet, so we're just going to have to head out and get wet. I'll follow you. You're still on here, ain't you? Yeah. I'll follow you, maybe I can draft in the drive. I don't know if you're wide. Oh, it's gonna be cold. I wish I'd have worn my jacket. I can't believe we're all getting the jacket. That's me. So I took my gloves off. I need gloves. Alright, go. There ain't gonna be no way around it. Let's go. Problem is without a jacket, it's going to much be able to drive it. And it ain't seen me fast. It's me. Well, let's go to horse and bike, Randy. I think I'm already all set all the way through. That holds water. Hopefully you end up with a parking spot. Around us. Yeah, no doubt. Some of them cars don't care. It might be deeper, you never know. Oh yeah, it's important. Not bad, not bad. It's up there on your handlebars, that's when you know you're in deep. Well, it's not level across here. Oh no, not enough. We hit just well go on through this way. No more than there is here. We went through more than this today. Okay guys, I'm gonna get off here in this video. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up. We're gonna go home and dry off. So click the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I put a new video. God bless. Right on.